How to withdraw money from AJBL. Log into your AJBL account from the website or app. Go to the section that shows all your accounts. Pick the account you want to withdraw money from, such as SIPP or dealing account. Check the cash balance that is available for withdrawal. If you only have investments, sell them first and wait for the cash to settle. Open the menu and look for the cash withdrawal option. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw from the account. Confirm the bank account details linked to your AJBL account. Make sure the name on the bank account matches your AJBL account. Review the withdrawal request details carefully before submitting. Submit the request to start the withdrawal process. Wait a few working days for the money to reach your bank account. Thank you for watching.